guys, what's up? Today we're going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. Yeah. And I do have a real Rubik's Cube, but see, for this trick you need a full Rubik's Cube that's been solved or brand new that has not been tampered with. Like this one. But the one I have is all messed up and I couldn't solve it, so yeah. First thing you want to do is, first we're going to do a 2x2. No. So you want to grab it, like so, from any angle. You'll lock the place. And then just this one back, and this one forward. Like this, by repeating those same moves. Forever and ever. Boom. Solved. Oh yeah, solved. Yeah. Solved. From every place. 3x3 takes a longer time. Because I have a 3x3. Oh, these ads. These ads. I so hate this. X. Again, X. Oh my god, I didn't want to press it. There we go. Okay, so it takes a longer time. It's the same thing. Yes, keep on going. Keep on going. Then eventually, I don't know why. I mean, I don't know when, but eventually it will solve. If that doesn't work, just wind it back, like to the back, like this. If you don't have trust, do that. But if you have trust, do this. I'm sorry to not believe in this. Oh, yeah. Come on. It's not working. This is failing. Some patience. When is this gonna get solved? This is not getting solved. Sorry guys, this is epic fail. I'm so sorry guys, really. Let's just have a quick pizza 4x4. These hurts. Okay. Now, lock in place. I really don't know how to solve this one. But I guess it's just instead of 1, it's 2, I guess. Temperature's too high. Well, I don't care. I'm making a video right now. How does this work? How did I scramble it? Was it up already? Yeah, I think I did. Okay, before we can. Yes. How did they mix it up? Time. I'm gonna do this. How 8x8s. Okay, it's impossible to mess up the 8x8s. Okay, scramble. Get stupid ads! Dang it. Okay. Yes. Oh my god. How am I supposed to solve this? Ah! Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Quite a bit fail on the the 3x3. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time, my dudes. Bye.